I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind.
Kind of discouraging there. So, okay, so if you saw my weigh-in, the reason I had to chop it that way is because I get on the scale undressed, and in the scale, I didn't want anyone to see my reflection of my ladies here, so I tried to do it as best I can. Today's day 3, and I put my little my weigh-in chart there so you can see that I've already lost a couple pounds. It's obviously water. And so I'm feeling really good. Today is like that. Once you get through the 3rd day, you're really in a good fat burn. But coming off of carnivore keto, I'm hoping that it's just a smooth transition. I have no headache. I have none of that. So we'll see how the day goes. I have my fuelings with me. We're going to work, and let's get the day going. All right, so I'm at work. This is going to be a very strange day. So I resigned. And I've been bouncing around out in the field, and today's the first day since my resignation that I'm actually in the building. So it's going to be a rough day because I know, like I said, I'm really close and I adore my colleagues. So they're not going to make my departure any easier. Yeah, it's going to be tough. But anyway, like I said, today's a new day. I forgot to film. Before I left work, I did start the day off with a bar. I had the chocolate cherry, chocolate cherry ganache bar, that one of my buddies here at work gave me, about 4 of them. So I have inside work all of my fuelings still. They left a ton of them back for me, and they ordered a box for me. Like, seriously, I mean, that's what I'm saying. Like, if you're kind to other people, it always comes back. So be kind. I will see you in there at the next fueling. So, yeah. Oh, it's going to be a rough day emotionally. See you inside. I do want to show you what I'm wearing today so we can all get a sense of body composition at 191 pounds. Here it is. Here it is. I have on my sweater weather sweater. I don't know, let me turn. Nope, I guess you can see best this way. There's going to be some shadow because of the sun. Let me zoom down here. Here's the pants I have on, so you can see the weight right in here. And I'll turn on the side. See, it's not bad. It's just, you know, everybody's built different. Here's my legs. Here's my here's my boots. So anyway, it's not horrible, but the scale number is horrible. Let me come around and get my work bag. But that's what I'm saying. The scale number, that's the thing that messes a lot of people up. But I have gone up in sizes. When I had originally lost all that weight, I was fitting into like a 2-4. Now I'm in about a 10-12, depending. And I can still get into either a small or medium shirt. It's so weird. My body's built just absolutely wackadoodle. I don't know. But I need to do this for myself, and I'm just grabbing my LaCroix. Oh, my work bag is so heavy. Here's my LaCroix. This flavor is good. It's called Black Raspberry. We are in full effect with the fall weather. Look at these trees and everything. It's gorgeous. And here's some of my patients already outside waving. I love them all. It's great to be a nurse, guys. If you're thinking of changing a career, be a nurse. All right, guys, so I'm moving on to the Zesty Cheddar Crunchers. I haven't had these in a long time with the LaCroix, and I'm enjoying my day. Next fueling is the Peanut Butter Crunch Bar, another one of these I haven't had in so long, and oh, did I miss this. This one is so delicious. And I'm still working on my LaCroix, trying to stay hydrated, but I am a little behind on the water. However, everything else is going really well, and I'm so happy to be back. All right, guys, I will see you at the next fueling after I chug my LaCroix. See you in a little bit. All right, so the day is going really, really well. I have no cravings, and I'm doing just every 2.5 hours. I have a couple of fuelings left, as you can see, and I just feel really good. I'm excited to be back. All right, I'll see you at the next fueling. So when I got to work today, here was my little bin that I had given away. A lot of it is gone, but a lot of it is still here. And they even had some ramekins left. Oh my God, what is this? Crunchy O's, honey mustard and onion sticks, hot chocolate. Yes. Pancakes, chocolate chip cookie, potatoes, mac and cheese, more cereal. All right, up. Frosted cookie dough. Oh my God, my girls are amazing. All right, this was on the table when I came in, so oh my God, I love them all so much. It's seriously gonna be so hard to leave here, but it is what it is. I'm gonna have to take all of this with me to my new place. And yeah, oh my God, I'm gonna have to borrow my son's truck. This is what they made me when I moved, when Jess and I bought our house. They all signed it. The microwave that I had in our old house. My elephant picture. Just this table and chairs stays here because that's theirs. The pillows and all of this, the desk is theirs, the chair is mine, and all of this stuff is mine. It's all mine. The mirror. So yeah, I'm gonna have to borrow a truck and unload my desk. Here's my little, I call it the menopause fan. My phone. This is a very hard thing to do, guys. I really never thought I'd be leaving here, but new opportunity for growth, more advancement in my career. I'll miss this office for sure. It's been good to me. Here is the sour cream and chive mashed potatoes. I put them just with a half a cup of water in the microwave at my desk. And this is the next fueling. All right, so I'm dying here. I'm turning on the menopause fan and getting some air because my office is so hot. Ah! These mashed potatoes are delicious. Oh God, guys, I can't tell you how happy I am to be back. They're creamy, they're warm, they're just so easy. And I don't have to think. I just put it in the bowl and put it in the microwave. And I sat and enjoyed a bowl of mashed potatoes. Here they are. They're delicious. I'll see you at the next fueling. So I'm home now, and I took some ground beef that I had in the fridge. I took some romaine lettuce, a couple of little cherry tomatoes, tiny little bit of cabbage, and I used a fresh lemon, half of it, as the dressing. This is my lean and green. I'm going to bring it into my dining room, sit at the table, and talk to you briefly. But I really don't have much of an appetite. I don't know if this is complete, because I'm staying 100%. I don't know where it's coming from, but this is what's going on. Guys, I don't know what happens, but when you get over those first couple days, you're not hungry anymore. I can't even eat this. And I still have a fueling to go after this. So I'm going to pick at it for a while. But I'm truly not hungry. I'm in a really good headspace. You guys have filled me up. You have filled me up. That's all I can say. So I'm going to eat this. This is, again, my ground beef salad. And that ground beef is left over from a couple days ago when I was doing the ketovore. So it came in handy, but 5 ounces because it's not a leanest and it's not a leaner. It's just a lean. So no fat. This is just, again, the lettuce, the cabbage, a few little cherry tomatoes, and I used fresh lemon as dressing. Look at that. So good. So, I'm going to go eat this. I'm going to go pour myself a big glass of water. And I'm going to call it a successful day. I'll see you back here later for the last fueling. I don't know what I'm going to have. I have nothing planned. But I brought home a lot of those fuelings from work, so I'd have it. And I want to show you something. Look what arrived. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. So we will be doing an unboxing video, likely tomorrow, to show you what I picked up. And that's it. So I'll see you at the last fueling, just in a couple of hours. Bye. All right, guys, we're at the last fueling. It's late and I'm getting tired. So I'm going to show you what I'm making. And I have a packet of sweet blueberry biscuit. Now, it says on the package, because this was an older fueling that I had given away and have received back. It says that it's best by February of 2023. So actually this one's still good. What I was trying to get at is if you have fuelings that are expired, be cautious but not overkill. These are, you know, they do have things in it to keep them good for several months. I would not recommend going way over the expiration, but if it's, you know, a month or 2 or 3, I know people that do it. I have done it. Not a big deal. I don't know how good the probiotics that are in here would be after an expiration date. I'm not really sure, you know, what the ingredient stability is, but that's just something I wanted to say because I've seen people putting out there that they're using these little fuelings that they've had for over a year. They're expired. I wouldn't even go there, guys. You're risking getting sick. That's just my opinion, but you do what you want. But I'm just saying, it's still within my frame of where I can have it. So blueberry biscuit to end the day, and that is my day, guys. Please be kind in the comments. I know showing my weight earlier on in this video was going to be nerve-wracking, but why should I be afraid to tell you? I'm not afraid. I obviously am not afraid. What I don't want is the garbage in the comment section. So, you know, be kind. That's all I'm saying. There's enough in this world to make us all crazy. This video should not be one of them. And if it bothers you in any way to where you feel like you have to write something that's going to try and discourage me from proceeding with this, save it. I don't want to hear it and I won't respond to it. My weigh-in day will be Monday. So every Monday you'll get a weigh-in. And I guess that's it. So with that being said, I'm going to end the video by saying this to all of you. We can do this. Yes, we can. As long as we do it together, you and me and you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.